You won't believe how simple it is to turn undrinkable ocean water into fresh, clean water. Let's dive into the magic of desalination. Desalination might sound like a complex process, but it's actually quite fascinating and simple when broken down. Ready to learn? Let's get started. Step 1. Collection. First, you need to collect your ocean water. Make sure to gather it in a clean container to avoid any contamination. Step 2. Filtration. This is where you remove large particles like sand, seaweed, and other debris. Use a basic filter or a piece of cloth to strain the water. Step 3. Heating. Pour the filtered water into a pot and bring it to a boil. This is going to start the process of evaporating the water, leaving the salt behind. Step 4. Condensation. As the water vapor rises, you'll need to capture it. Use a lid or a piece of foil to direct the steam to another container where it can condense back into liquid. This is your fresh water. Step 5. Collection again. Carefully collect the condensed water and let it cool. Congratulations, you now have drinkable, desalinated water. Turning ocean water into fresh water is an amazing process that brings science to life. Remember, while this method works for small amounts, larger-scale desalination requires more advanced technology. So the next time you're near the ocean, you'll know exactly how to make that salty water drinkable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.